Hi everyone, this is Felisa here with Homebody. If you have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. This video is actually a requested video by one of my subscribers. She stated that she passed the bunny up in Home Goods because of the burlap that was on the bunny. Now, I almost passed it up until I thought, you know what, I can just take the burlap off, especially since they had the eggs in the store to match the ears and the egg that's in the bunny's hand. So I went ahead and scooped up the bunny. It was $16.99 when I realized I can take the burlap off without messing up the whole bunny. So anyway, I have this ribbon bow, and I have the ribbon, both came from Hobby Lobby some time ago. I just had them laying around, and I decided to go ahead and glam up the bunny. So I have my grandson holding the camera for me. So what I'm going to do is take that glam ribbon and just drape it around his neck. And once I get it around his neck, I am going to cut the excess off. Then I'm going to get my bow, place a dab of hot glue on the back of the bow, because this is actually an iron-on bow, and place it in the spot where the burlap section was. Now I am going to cut that off, off camera. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and place my bow there. And once I place my bow there, I'm also going to add some glam dots to his eyes. I'm going to do that off camera. I just went a little extra overboard because you guys know I'm extra. I don't know when to stop with the decorations and the glam, but that's me, right? So anyway, I think that this is super, super cute. I love the bow that I placed on it. I like the glam ribbon that I put around his neck, and I think he goes perfect with my decor. Now, I'm not quite ready to decorate for Easter yet, but I'm getting ready. I think by the end of next week, I'll be in full spring mode, decorating and all. I have all my items pulled down from the attic and start going through them. But I think that everything looks fine with this particular setup. I think I would actually use it in this particular styling, but this is one of the ways that I would use. You guys know I like to play around with my decor all the time. That's why I call myself a homebody, because that's what I do at home, just play around with my decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are inspired not to pass up this cute bunny. The next time you see him in Home Goods, grab him up, find you a glam bow and some glam ribbon wrap, place around his neck, place you another bow, perhaps in another color. I wish I would have had a teal glam bow to put on his neck, and that would have even made this particular scene pop even more if he had a teal glam bow. But anyway, you guys, I am done talking and rambling in this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one, and I hope you were inspired. I'll see you next time. Bye.